Hello, I'm Charlotte Ashley, editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, and this is a Baking and Snack case study. Joining me today are John Doby, Vice President of Operations, Handi Foods, and Sam Palatini, Director of Equipment Sales for Cookie, Cracker, and Pet Food with Reading Bakery Systems. Thanks for joining me, John and Sam. So John, let's start with you. Tell me about the growth that Handi Foods experienced that led to the company investing in automation.
Sure, Charlotte. Handi Foods has been in business for about 45 years. Historically, we were a pita bread company that was slowly moving into the snacking industry. Within the last 5 years, our growth in the snacks business had really accelerated greatly. And the current capabilities and technologies that we have, we're not keeping up with what we needed to do to supply with our customers. So we really went out there looking for a solution to how could we add to our capacity, lower our labor costs, and go with a partner in the industry that actually really fully understood snacks and get us to that end goal that we were looking for.
So John, tell me a little bit about why was RBS the right company to partner with Handi Foods for this project?
Well, as we headed down to the show that year, down in Las Vegas to the bakery show, we went down there with some very specific criteria that we were looking for in our solution. We were looking for somebody that could meet our capacity needs, helping us to reduce our labor costs, somebody that offered flexibility because we do such a wide variety of products. It was also critical that we had someone that would be able to service us, both with parts, manpower. That was a very critical piece for us. But I think the bigger piece for us, as we grow our business in the snacks, is partnering with somebody who's already a leader in that industry, so that they had the technology, they had the knowledge base to help us grow and learn from that. Because our business continues to grow, customer needs continue to evolve, and we needed a real leader there that was going to be a partner, not just for these lines that we were getting, but a partner that was going to be there for the next however many years that we're engaging down this journey of snacking.
John, it seems like 2019, IBIE is just around the corner. It just seems like yesterday. But it was great to come and visit you guys and kind of see your facility and your layout and decide to find a way to utilize RBS's skills and technology to go ahead and create a line or produce a line that can increase your throughput in the same amount of floor space that you currently require. One of the things we did was we increased the width in the sheeting process to something wider, to a 1.5 meter wide system. We created a resting system as well as we utilized two of our ovens to create a twice baked process in order for your develop your pita crackers and pita chips.
So how do these new automated production lines set up Handi Foods for future growth as well as new products?
The first few projects that we've done with Reading have been very successful. We've managed to stay up with our demand, and we've actually expanded our product base with the new lines we've put in from Reading. We've expanded our product base. We've expanded the types of products we can do now. And you know what? Like those projects were real successful milestones for Handi Foods. And as Sam can attest, we've got more projects on the go as we speak, and I look forward to sort of the same successful outcome with those, and look forward to the next 20, 30 years as we go forward on this journey.
And me too, John. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, John and Sam, for joining me today and sharing with our audience more about the partnership between Handi Foods and Reading Bakery Systems.